Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11, and today we are going to make the face unlock test. We are going to check how fast it works, if it is reliable, and we can also compare to fingerprint sensor built into the display. So let's try how it works. Well, as you can see, it's very fast. I think that even it's the fastest face unlock that I have ever used. It's even faster than in Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra with faster recognition enable feature. It's really amazing. It really works fast. And let's take a look how it looks when you compare it with fingerprint sensor. As you can see, the fingerprint sensor is a little bit slower, so the face unlock on the Mi 11 works really cool. It's really fast. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.